YouTube stacking community, the stacking nerd here today with an unboxing from Menehune Stacker. Wherever you're watching this from and whenever you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great day. I don't know what's in this package, it's quite a surprise, so let's unbox this together. Let's see. Alright, first thing I see, it's in here really good. There we go. Oh, I bet it's taped on the other side. Oop. Please open box first. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's taped really good too. That is a beautiful box. Let's open it up. Quite a presentation here. You can see Menehune's logo here. Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised what is in here. Okay. Okay. Got some bubble wrap. Guys, the suspense is killing me. Gonna cut that a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh! This is a different version of the Lucky Kitty. Look at this. Oh, whoa. Look how cute this is. This is a different version of the Lucky Kitty I have. As you can see on the bottom, it's stamped P. 3/9 fine silver. There's his mark. That is so cute. Thank you so much. You did not have to do this. Okay, and also Menehune Stacker sent me some more Hawaiian treats. Very cool. And I have this card here. Warm winter wishes. From Hawaii, of course. All right. The stacking nerd. Merry Christmas, sis. Mahalos for being you. I made this back in October 2018, but waited for New Year's to send it to you. I hope you like it. It is a prototype articulating head. What? Oh. Wow, I don't have anything like this in my collection. That is insane. Right paw raise. Maneki nerd lucky cat. Stamp P first in the world build. Aloha, keep stacking Menehune Stacker. So here you have it. An articulate Maneki-neko kitty. How cool is this? If you guys don't know who Menehune is, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for his YouTube channel and also his Instagram where he posts all these amazing pieces that he's making. It's truly innovative in the world of investment art, poured silver, whatever you like to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic rest of the day and a prosperous week. I will talk to you later.